Hi, my name is Mike Trout, and this is a problem I've actually been working on since 2009 when I launched an idea called foundups. And foundups is all about introducing a new business model that changes the way everything works. I shared this idea with the founders of Ethereum, which ultimately 2 years later brought about the underlying framework needed to bring about foundups called the blockchain. So how does it address the problem? Well, it addresses the problem simply by changing the way things work. Currently, everything's built on something called compounded annual growth rate. The stock market, the planet, everything, globalization is built on that. Every problem of sustainability are outcomes of this underlying problem of compounded annual growth rate, which drives globalization. So how does foundups change things? Well, it switches compounded annual growth rate to something called compounded annual benefit rate, which ultimately values things by how much good they apply to the planet, not to someone's pocket. This is a very difficult thing to explain in 2 minutes, but ultimately by changing the problem of capitalism into something I call social capitalism, by changing the simple equation of compounded annual growth rate that powers capitalism to compounded annual benefit rate built on the blockchain and on a system of mechanics, ultimately will provide the means to empower sustainability globally in a very simple fashion. I have more talks on it that describe it. I walked away from $10 million just 8 months ago because they wanted to own it, and you can own it. It's something that we have to provide. I like the funding to move forward. Maybe you can provide it.